Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. This is Itel A58 and the screen light is not showing. So in less than 1 minute I'm going to show you how you're going to fix this problem. So as you can see from where I've indicated the arrow sign, you're going to scratch that space, that line over there. You're going to scratch. Then on the board, let me show you. Yes, so the red line over there, that's where you are going to scratch. Where I've drawn the red line, that's where you're going to scratch. Then you use jumper wire or alteration wire, then you connect the two together. So as you are doing this, after that, this screen light issue must be working. So if you have any comment, just put it there. Let me know if you have any issue. If you don't understand anything, just put it in the comment section and I'll reply ASAP. Thanks for watching. This is Kwame Gadget Official. Don't forget to subscribe. Out.